Hi, this is 2017 Toyota Sienna radiator cooling fan replacement. I'm gonna take this fan off. It's very easy to take this off. You see the tab, just push the tab and pull it. One here, and one right here. To take this off, I need to open this upper radiator hose so I can slide in, slide out. When you take the fan out, you see this there's a transmission coolant line is here. I cut it off. Later I'm gonna put the tie with the hose, and there's a one harness attached to here. You have to take this off, then it will easily pull out. This is the hose that was right here, so make sure you put the tie on this. So reverse is removable, guys. Just simply put it in. So make sure don't damage the radiators, the little by little. Be patient, just put it in. Make sure you put this tab right here. Make sure it's attached to right here. Then put all this connection back, all these hoses. Thank you very much, guys.